So now we are going to discuss about decimal to octal conversion. Like decimal to binary. So when we convert decimal to binary, we divide the decimal number by 2. Here, instead of dividing by 2, we are going to divide by 8 because the octal base is 8. So we are going to separate the decimal number into whole as well as fraction portion. To convert the whole number portion into octal, use the successive division by 8. If there is a remainder, put it. If no remainder, put 0 until the quotient is less than 8. If it is less than 8, put to its remainder taken. To convert fractional portion to octal, use successive multiplication by 8. When we convert the fractional portion into binary, what we did is we do the successive multiplication by 2. But here it is an octal, so base is 8. So we got to do the successive multiplication by 8. Now we will see an example for how to convert a decimal number into octal. So assume that the number is 153. So first we are dividing by 8. So because it is a octal conversion, we need to divide the decimal number 153 by 8. So we'll get 19. So remainder is 1. Okay. So 19. So remainder is 1. So then again 19 divided by 8. So we get quotient is 2. Remainder is 3. So 2 is less than 8. So we can stop. So it is less than 8. So we can stop it here. So we got to take again from this order. Okay, this order we got to take. So what is the octal number for 153 is 231. That is 231. This is a octal for the decimal number 153. So we will see another example. So converting a number 891 into octal. So 891 divided by 8 actually first. So the quotient is 111. So remainder is 3. So remainder is 3. Again divide by 8. 111 divided by 8. So the quotient is 13. What is the remainder is 7. Again 13 by 8. Quotient is 1. Remainder is 5. So it is less than 8. So we have to write in this order. So what is the octal number for 891 is 1573. So 1573 is a octal number for the decimal number 891. Next, we will discuss about the fraction part. Okay, so this is this contains decimal part, that is whole part as well as fraction part, 72.45. So when we divide 72 by 8, so the quotient is 9. So remainder is 0. So 9 by 8. So 9 by 8. So sorry, here actually 9 by 8 it is 1. So 9 by 8. So we have a quotient is 1 and the remainder is again 1. So answer is 110. Okay, this is not 90. So this is 110. Now the fraction part 0.45. So when we multiply 0.45 by 8, we got 3.60. Again 0.6 into 8, 4.8. Again 0.8 into 8, 6.4. So 0.4 into 8, so 3.2. So it keep on going because again we got 0.2. When we multiply by 8, we got 1.6. So this will be repeated. So we will stop here. So answer is 3463. So the decimal part 72, equivalent octal number is 110. For 45, that is 0.45, it is 3463. Next, we are going to discuss about how to convert a decimal number into hexadecimal number. So hexadecimal number Again, so when we convert into binary, we divide by 2. When we convert into octal, we divide by 8. When we convert decimal into hexadecimal, we need to divide by 16. Okay, so convert the whole number portion into hexa number. Use the successive division by 16. If there is a remainder, put it. If no remainder, put 0 until the quotient is less than 16. If it is less than 16, put it to remainders taken. So it is 256. So we will take 256. So when we divide by 16, the quotient is 16 and the remainder is 0. Again 16 by 16, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 0. So 1 by 16, so we will get 0 only. So remainder is 1. So answer we got to take in this way. So answer is 100. We will see one more example. 2500, 2500. So when we divide 2500 by 16, so the quotient is 156, remainder is 4. Again 156 divided by 16, we got 9. Quotient is 9 and the remainder is 12. So 9 will not divide by 16, so we'll get 0. So remainder is we will have 9. So answer is 9 12s 4. So there is no 12 in hexadecimal. So 12 is represented as C, capital C. So the answer is 9C4. The base is 16. Now we will have the fraction part. So we'll take example 72.45. So 72 by 16. So quotient is 4, remainder is 8. So 4 will not divide by 16, so we'll get 0 and remainder is 4. So answer is 48. So remainder is 48. So 0.45, again we multiply by 16, 0.45 into 16, so 7.2. So 0.2 into 16, 3.2. Again 0.2 into 16, 3.2. So it's keep on repeating. So answer is 733. Thank you.